What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be an unboxing episode. Thank you for dropping by to the channel, and today we are going to check out the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors. We have the graphite and the gold, silver, and the Sierra blue. And it also comes in 4 different memory capacities. We have the 128, the 256, the 512, and 1 terabyte. Today we have the graphite color of the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the 512 gigabytes of memory. So let's go ahead and check this out. Coming out of the box is the phone with the 3 camera lenses on your upper right corner of the phone, and it comes with the stickers on your screen for protection, and also we have the Lightning to USB-C cable that's without the wall adapter, and some documentation here that includes some stickers and also a pin for the injection of your SIM. Then we have here the power button on this side, and the volume and SIM slot on the other side, and also the speakers and the charging port on the bottom. So once again, that's pretty much about what's inside the box of the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. It doesn't come with the wall adapter and also the AirPods. So just a quick overview of the specs for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It has a 6.7-inch diagonal all-screen OLED display with Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz. It also has a A15 Bionic chip with the new 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Comes with the 12 megapixel camera system with the telephoto, wide, ultra-wide cameras, the portrait mode, and the cinematic features. And the phone has a ceramic shield front and a textured matte glass back and stainless steel design. Now we're gonna power up the phone and start setting it up, but I will just have to fast forward these parts so that the video won't be that long and boring. And there's actually a welcome note as you power up the phone, and it comes in different kinds of languages, which I personally think is pretty cool, and it adds a bit of a wow effect to me. So thanks Apple for that. Alright, so we're almost done setting up our new iPhone, and we're just gonna go click on continue and set all of the other settings later so that we can go to the welcome page right away. And here you go, it's the welcome to iPhone page. Now our iPhone is already set up, so it's already good to use, and we are already on the screen, the welcome screen, and I would say that the screen pretty looks decent, it pretty looks nice, and the brightness is also cool. So I think personally this iPhone 13 Pro Max is quite a big jump compared to the previous iPhone models, considering the fact that it has the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, and also it comes in a 2078 by 1284 pixel resolution at 458 ppi. And what's much interesting is that it comes with the 120 hertz of retina display.
So that's the end of our video, guys, and I hope that you have learned something new today. And if you have any impressions or thoughts about the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, please do put that in the comment section below. In our next video, we are going to be answering questions such as, is it worth it to spend that kind of amount of money to buy a new iPhone 13 Pro Max? Or is it worth it to move from an Android device to an Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max? So we're going to be answering those questions in the next video, and also we are going to do some testing on the camera, especially with the new camera setting and also the cinematic effect. If you're interested in those testings, please do subscribe on our channel and smash that notification bell so that you will be notified when we do upload those videos. So once again, thank you for dropping by today, and see you on the next video.